Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the question is, are you ready for this? Well, let me first tell you a little story. ToughBuilt StackTech. What I'm about to show you will rock your mind. You'll probably need to change your underwear. StackTech. But before I do, I have something for you to think about. Think about this. StackTech has only been around for 16 months, and the designs they introduced are groundbreaking to the point that many manufacturers are copying their designs. Are you ready? Check this out. All right. Let's rewind this for a second and let's take a look at what we just saw. So here at the beginning of the video, we've got a nice system. On the bottom, you've got a rolling 2-drawer box, one big drawer and one small drawer. In the middle, you've got 2 drawers, a decent size. And then on the top, you've got a 4-drawer. That's nice. But you know what really caught my eye? Take a look at the locking mechanism. And notice that this is on all of the components now, at least all the drawers that they're showing in this video. In this next clip, we actually get to see the drawer opened. We get to see some tools inside. Then we get a sneak peek, of course, at the smaller drawer. Now, toward the end of the video, this really caught my eye. So you can now see that there are 3 different choices of rolling toolboxes. So let's start off to the left, and you can see that this rolling drawer has 2 drawers on the bottom that are medium size, and then a small drawer on top. And then obviously stacked on top of that, you've got 3 drawers, but you've got 1 medium and 2 small. And then notice that both of them have the new locking system. Now, this one was covered in the beginning, but I have to say, I love the middle box. I love that large box. This one I think is going to be the fan favorite. That large box on the bottom, I think a lot of people are going to like. And then, of course, you've got a double drawer sitting right on top. Lastly, I do want to underline, I'm excited about the locking system. I can't wait to see it and use it. So, as you can see, there's a lot to come with ToughBuilt StackTech. The next question you have in your mind is, when is this stuff going to be out, guys? I don't know right now. I really don't. But you know what? If you've been following our channel, we have purchased everything on our own dime. We have driven hundreds of miles to buy this stuff. And I promise you, when this stuff launches, we are going to be buying this stuff. We're going to be traveling wherever we need to. But for now, I will put our social media right up top. If you want to follow us, go right ahead and follow us on social media. And I sure hope you subscribe to our channel here at Tech Made Easy. And please give us a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it.